Well, hello. I've been expecting you. You're obviously here to take a look at the old girl. Our old municipal town hall built in 1881, up in Surrey Centre. Built on settlers Nancy and Abraham Huck's property, they generously donated the land to Surrey for just $1. I'd have stayed here forever if I could. But progress marches on, and we can't slow it down. That's why we're building a brand new municipal hall right in Cloverdale. Oh gosh, I haven't introduced myself. My name is TJ Sullivan, Tom to my friends, but you can call me Mr. Sullivan. Follow me. I arrived here in 1903, all the way from the US of A, and I opened up a timber company with my brother, Henry. The municipality of Surrey has been through many changes over the years. Progress. That is what we have right here in Surrey. As a businessman, I've always had a keen interest in the community, and thus, in 1907, I was elected councillor to this very building. But with Surrey businesses booming and the population growing, we needed a bigger municipal hall. You could find me, TJ Sullivan, Reeve of Surrey, in Cloverdale at the new municipal hall next year, 1912. Anyway, thank you for taking a look. The old girl's not going anywhere, so come back and take a look at her in the future. My name is TJ Sullivan, Reeve of Surrey, and we'll see you around.